Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have two formulas in here. The first one that is about s to the power of n dx. So we have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. And the next one, the integration of 1 over s dx equals to the integration of s to the power of negative number 1 dx. We have L and S with the absolute value in here, and I will put about c. So we can apply two formulas in here. So for the first one, we have 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1. So that is about this one in here. Now we can do similar for the next one. About this one, that is about this one. So 3 plus 1, we have number 4. Number 4. This is about number 3. Number 3. This one, negative number 1. Negative number 1. This one, we have 1 over 2 and 1 over 2. Now we need to simplify. 2 divided by 4, we have number 2. 3 divided by 3, we have s to the power of 3. Negative, negative, we simplify. Number 2 go in here, we have 8. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.